YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the Freaky Channel, and welcome back to, it's like 90 degrees here. The weather has no idea what it's gonna do. We are getting ready. We have pre-launch for Survivor Rally tonight. Guess who's here? First of all, the Smart Car's here because it's freaking awesome. Bud's here. The Amigo won't start. My truck is still crashed. Insurance is not working with me from Progressive, so that's super cool. We are selling a car that you guys haven't even really seen, but selling everything.
We're starting over. They don't know what we're getting into, do they?
Do we?
Well,
I tell you
I've
what,
got some things we need to touch.
And that's socks.
Yeah, look at that ankle.
Ankles.
Look at that. Oh.
Look at the one, he broke it yesterday.
Yeah, it hurts real bad.
Yeah, so Bud's not doing great. The car's ready for Survivor Rally, and then we've got the Civic, this Civic.
Which is ready for Cody.
This is ready to go. We got to put harnesses in it, a couple things. And then this Civic that maybe people have not seen too much. This was like a super, super clean car that I just had to have. I wanted to put a K-swap in it. I want to keep it super clean because this is like one of the cleanest hatches I've ever seen.
This one is actually going to get sold too.
Maybe. I wouldn't be mad.
$250.
Yeah. It
seems fair.
$250.
Yeah.
We have another one on the line.
Adult driven.
Never be done.
Never be done.
Never driven in the salt.
Never driven in the salt. Never seen snow.
It's a pretty good deal, actually,
solid.
if you think about it.
The wing is literally, it's a chassis mounted wing.
Yeah, because it is bolted to the chassis.
Right.
Metal to metal.
Metal to metal with rivets and aluminums.
So it's a great deal. What's going on, Crown?
Yeah.
Lucky.
Yeah, that kind of came out of nowhere.
Yeah, so Bud's taking my spot on Crown. So Bud's bringing his dad, which is super cool. They are taking my spot on Crown. I will not be going on Crown South. I will instead be taking my wife to Colorado and actually going and seeing Colorado, which I don't get
driving through it at 150 miles an hour.
Well, 65.
60 miles an hour.
Yeah, 100. All right, YouTube, good morning. We got the pre-rally done. I got packed last night. I got, let me see, 3 minutes of sleep. We've got to get in costume because there is a theme to this rally very shortly. And actually, it might be the whole title of the video. We're going to see what this car does in the quarter mile. I've never taken on an actual drag strip before. I don't know how to launch it correctly. I know how to do donuts, but I don't know how to launch the car. So we are going to take this car and we're going to see how fast it is at the track. You're not like what the computer says, not like what the internet says, not like what the magazines say. Actually, how fast it is at the track with me driving. So let's go. All right, the party started. Player!
Hey-o!
You ready for this?
Oh, yeah.
How much stuff do you got?
Never been ready.
Never been more ready?
More ready.
I've never been ready. Not ever. This is all you got?
That might be true, too. Oh, no. There's more in the truck.
How much more?
A whole bag more.
We should be good. I'm dead.
First day of my life. What do you think?
What do you think? All right, we have officially made it to the Survivor Rally launch. Check this out. Check this out. And check who made out a guest appearance. Hey, who put your stickers on? That's not too bad. Wow, this escalated quickly. That's a lot of lights. But good thing we're a mechanic. Engine management system fault. Please contact workshop. That's not good. Yeah, we're not sure what happened here. Woo! Check that out. All we had to do was go freaking send it. And clear the codes, of course. Now we're gonna get in the back of the pack and then we're gonna have cops and robbers and check it out.
Fuel pump in it, so that's actually what I was just doing, sitting here. I was running my fuel pump, filling her back up. Got here on one refill.
All right, what do you think? What's this? Room keys. Look at that. Oh yeah. Turn the air conditioning to 48.
48.
Oh, why is there 2 beds? I told them 1 king. We're doing this. It's drag race day. How fast do you think the car will go? What'd you find, Tanner? Oh my God, I can't see nothing.
Where'd Judd go?
Holy buckets of nuts. What if you can ride with me?
No.
Huh?
Nope.
Why?
I don't have a helmet.
Well, life's tough, you should have it.
Oh, I have a really big head though.
Alright guys, so we have made it to the racetrack. I have no idea, Cordova something. We are gonna run the Huracan, exactly how it sits. And I think we're just gonna launch in sport mode because I'm not trying to crash into nothing, but we'll see. We'll see.
Do you have a pair of pants you can put on?
I don't know if I do with. Do we need them? Or if I pull
Yeah,
this
you
one?
need to have. I'll let
Gotcha.
you make this first pass, but you can't wear shorts going
Okay.
down the track.
All right. I'll check as soon as I get back in my bag. Thank you.
Window!
Up.
Window up!
Okay.
Let's run. Let's see how he rolls. Got him.
All right. So we are. I guess we're bracket racing. I went dead on the. Oh gosh, my window's not staying up. I went dead on the nuts. I went dead nuts 744, which is what I put my thing at. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. But we went 744, and now we changed it to 742, and then we got to make sure we get the light correctly. And I guess that's what matters in this sport. Yeah, baby. 7.48, but we got the light, I think, or whatever that means. Boom town. 742 light, 742 time. Dang. These people are gonna think I know what I'm doing if I'm not careful. I've never been on a drag strip since I was 19 was the last time I was on a drag strip in a Honda Civic. This is freaking incredible. No way. It's down to me and Judd. You want a piece of me? No way. All right, here we are. Guess who's left? It is Judd and me. All right, now what?
Now what? What do you mean now what?
Left. You're going to be in the right lane. This is our final.
Oh, this is easy.
He says this is easy.
I've never done this before, and this is simple. You're going down, sucker.
Now remember, if you're ahead,
Yep.
don't run it all the way through if you're ahead. You know what
Okay.
I mean?
Yep.
So,
Yep.
all right.
Gotcha. think I won. I think I won. All right, so what are the odds of that? It ends up down to the finals in bracket racing, which Judd and I have both never done. And it ends up me and Judd in the final bracket racing.
Nice work, dude. God, I don't regret a thing. I was like, that was the best race I've had.
That were professional drag racers.
I had a .091 on that
I saw
reaction.
that, yeah.
But
So
you
Judd and
got
I are
me.
professional, what is it, bracket racers?
Yeah, we're bracket racers now.
Yeah, so
It's a
we'll
thing.
put that on the resume. We'll do a team. Yeah. Dude, that was so sweet. That was so much fun.
Oh, it was
One lug nut.